Hi everyone, I'm Purushottam from Bangalore. We consulted Dr. Raju sir and all doctors team at Miracle on February 5th, 2024. It is for my mother as well as for me. My mother had a kidney as well as a liver issues, and even I had a uric acid problem. I had high uric acid. We took a treatment from of the treatment that we got from Miracle and Raju sir and team, and even my uric acid is now normal. Even it's very surprising for us. My mother has not taken any other allopathic medicine during this time, and even I have not taken any allopathic medicine for high uric acid during this time. I have sent all the reports, old reports as well as new reports to Raju sir. Thank you again.